Hello, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. It is Friday and time for savings challenges. £140 here that I'm going to count. 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. And this week's savings challenges are the Mini Money Matters binder that I would like to finish, but I've started back the binder because I just enjoyed it so much. I thought, let me start it back again. So we've got the Woodland Wonder, and then we've got the fruit salad, Adventure Awaits, Sweet Treats, Sunflower Savings, Dandelion Clop Cash, Piggy Pounds, Treasure Trove, Dandy Dosh, Have a Heart, and that's that. So we'll start with the Woodlands. They're all £5. I'm going to mark it off. I will do 5 today. So let's mark that off and put that there. Actually, let's just put that there for a minute. Put that there. And then we've got the fruit salads. That's going to be turquoise. Let's do one here today. Circular. And that's another 5. Adventure Awaits will be getting £5 as well. I hope that that won't rub off. And then Sweet Treats will get £5. That's a bar of chocolate. Get £5. And then we have a Sunflower Savings. I'll do £5. And then Dandelion Clock Cash will get £5 as well. Dandelion is going to get £5 as well. I like dandelions. Give that a wafty. And Piggy Pounds will just colour the top here of the coin. That's going to get £5. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we've got the Treasure Trove. We've got a mixture of 1s, 2s, 3s and 4s. So I'm going to do £2 here and £3, so that's 5. And then we have the daisies. Daisies is going to get, so it's £1 per daisy, so I'll do 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so let's see what we've got here. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So if I just put the £40 in there, and then we have the Have a Heart. The hearts are £2 each, and as it's coming up to Valentine's, I use the red. So let's put £10 in. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, making progress. I tell you, this little book is such a great savings. It really is. Give that a bit of a wafty. So that's done for another week. And I want to do the Rubik Cube. I'm going to do 2 cubes today. So that's £10. Wafty. And then we've got save 200. I will put £10 in there. Let's use up some of these 5s. So that's H. Go. And we have the Tremendous Leaf of Faith. I've got one more 10 here. Alright, I will do that, and then I will consider doing the bigger amounts. This is the last 10. Then I've got 15s, 20s, 25s and 30s. That's the last 10. Then we've got the Albi savings. That will get, there's no more 10s, but there's 15s and 20s, 15, 20s, 25s and 30s. Let's do a 15. Okay. And that is that. What I want to do, I'm not going to put any more money in to this because this one is really a good manageable savings challenges here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put this, that's 30, 35, 40, 45. I will put 40 in and keep £5 back. I'm going for rollover, and I'm going to put this in my save 2024 in 2024, because you know I'm on this hard, don't you? You know I'm on this hard. It's got to be done. I just love this challenge and I want to make the success of it. definitely this year. Oh, where's my pencils? I'll put them back in here. Pencils. Oh, what did I do with my pencils? I tidied up everything and I don't know what. Okay, I'll put them back in the pencil box. Put them right back into the pencil box. No, I want... Is it this one? I think it's this one, I'm not sure. So that is 20, 30, 35, 40 pounds. And that is going in there. I want to make a real go of this one. This reminds me of last year. Every sort of little penny I got, I did stuff it into the Save of 2023 last year. And that's that. And roll over. We'll just put the £5 in here. And that is that. That's my savings challenges for this week. I'm so happy to have your company. If you did enjoy this video, I would be grateful, very grateful, if you gave it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Take care of your good selves and see you back soon. Bye for now.